my channel, I'm Sarah and you're watching So Beauty Stuff. So I just wanted to really quickly talk to you about a brand I've been loving recently, and disclaimer if it's needed, this is not sponsored. This is just a brand whose products I've been absolutely loving as a makeup artist, and so I want to share with anyone out there. So the brand I'm actually going to talk to you about is called My Kit Co. My understanding is it's founded by a British makeup artist. They've obviously found that they're not finding what they need in products already out there, so designed their own products, and they're really, really great. So I've got 3 products I want to show you today, and I'm going to talk you through really briefly each one. Some of them you may have seen previously on my channel. So the first product is called My Kit Duffel. So as you can see, it's got this pretty sturdy drawstring handle here that you can pick it up by. It's really strong kind of canvas fabric. You can see how wide this is like this. It's very sturdy, it's very strong, it's very wipe clean, it doesn't stain easily, and literally I use this to keep my skincare and things like that in. So you just undo the drawstring, open it up, fold down the sides, and you've basically got a little holder for all of your skincare. As you can see, there's tons of bits and pieces you can fit in here. If I take out just the stuff in the middle, so you can see the way that it's packaged, it's this wipe clean clear plastic, and then you've got pockets all around the outside, so everything is held in there really, really neatly. Like I said, it holds so much stuff. I've got all of these products all around the outside, there's still room for more, and then all these bottles fit in the middle with no problem whatsoever. And then you can open this up, have it out on the side when you're working, and when you're done, it's time to pack up. It's just literally a case of pulling up the sides, drawing the string, and carrying it away in your bag. So really ingenious design, I love that. The next product is called My Brush Buddy, and that's what it looks like here. As you can see, it's got this adjustable shoulder strap on there. It's also detachable, so you don't have to have it on the handle. When I got this, it was quite compressed. I'll try and insert a picture, I think I took one. And it came with this cute little card. So basically says you can put your hairdryer on a warm setting and reshape it, which is a really cool tip to have. So as you can see on the outside of here, you've got this elastic section at the back. I've just got some hair clips on there, but actually what it's designed for, when you unzip the front section here, which is zip and Velcro, you can actually fold that back and tuck it into this loop here at the back, and it's very neatly flattens out. So as you can see from looking at this, it holds quite a lot of brushes. It's actually, I'll show you from the bottom so you can kind of see better. It's divided into 4 sections, and I've actually got one completely empty section. I will tell you why. When I fill this up with clean brushes, I leave this section empty. I can put my dirty brushes in this section afterwards, so I know which ones I've used and which ones need cleaning. A high level divider in the middle, so the brushes aren't going to touch each other. Then you've got these, my shorter brushes go at the front because it's got a slightly lower level entry, and then my taller brushes here at the back. You've got another elastic piece here at the front, and I use it to strap sort of my pan spatulas and specific brushes to the front if I want to. When you're done, you can literally have your dirty brushes in one section, flip the lid up, zip it up, and you are good to go. So it's a really, again, to me, an ingenious design. I have so many brushes in here. This is all of the brushes that I normally keep in my brush belt. I'll insert a picture here of that. So you can see I've got tons of brushes, and like I said, I've got a whole empty section. And this just saves a lot of space for me, because normally I was packing my brush belt, I was packing a cup to put my brushes in, and I was carrying around a pot to put my dirty brushes in. This eliminates all of these because, as you can see, it just stands up on the table, good to go. But also, if you throw it in your bag, it doesn't matter if it falls upside down, if it, you know, gets moved around, your brushes aren't going anywhere, they're all locked in here. So it's actually a really, really great way of storing everything and keeping everything kept in place. So the final bag is called My Kit Buddy. So this is literally a kit bag. So a little story behind why I decided to buy this. If you've watched my What's in My Makeup Kit videos, you'll know I've got the big metal case, and that's 2 compartments. You have a large compartment at the bottom that rolls, and then a top compartment that slots on. It's great, I do love that. It fits everything in it, it's really sturdy, but it's super heavy and it's bulky. And I went to Australia for a wedding, and I want to take as much of my kit as possible. The case weighs basically nothing. It's super sturdy. Again, you've got 2 really sturdy handles. You've got an over the shoulder strap that's adjustable, and also you can actually use these clips to attach your brush buddy on there as well if you want to, if you want to free up your hands. So I won't show you, my entire kit, but I will briefly just show you through this so you can see how much stuff you can fit in here. But if I want to travel light, if I know that I'm going to need just my basic kit, this has pretty much got everything in there. So I'll just quickly give you a brief tour. So on the outsides, you've got these zip pockets. So I've got a variety of things in here. I've got this bag of lash bits and pieces, cotton buds, my colour switch, mixing palettes in here, my notebook, mirror. The other side here I have, and you can see there's sort of two sections. There's a section that's kind of quite tight to the bag, which for example in here I've got one of my big Morphe palettes, and then on the outer part I have a bunch of other palettes as well, and you could easily fit a few more in there if you wanted to. And then you come to this main section in the middle, and you can see there is just so much stuff in here, and you've got quite a bit of space at the bottom and at the top here. You could slot little bits and pieces in there if you wanted to. So this side I'll just show you, you've got two different zip compartments. This top one I just keep all of my lashes in. This bottom section has kind of got my face powders and things in there. I've got a highlighter, I've got RCMA, I've just got, it's really deep. I've got 4 palettes in here, 4 palettes deep, and they could still fit more in there. And obviously you've got the netting, so you can see exactly what you've got in there. And then this side is where it becomes pretty ingenious for travel. So in these 2 pockets here, I've got all of my sort of gels, liquids, that kind of thing. And these 2 pockets here, they actually Velcro out. So when I was flying, I could take these out and put these in a checked bag and put, I've got storage in here for other bits and pieces that I want to take on the plane with me. So these pockets here, they don't look huge, but they fit so much stuff. So I've got 6 bottles of foundation, some color correcting concealers, and my RCMA palette. So just to give you an example, lengthways, it fits a foundation bottle like this L'Oreal one I have here. And then of course that just Velcros back in. In this section here, I've got basically loads of my lip products. So I've got all my lip mixes, my disposable brushes, a random lip liner, some lip gloss, and my Anastasia lip kit there as well. So yeah, I'm really impressed with not only the strength and the quality of this bag and how easy you can wipe it clean, but the fact that it fits so much stuff in there. With the brush buddy and to the duffel bag, I've basically kind of got everything I need, all the essentials for my kit in a very small, compact way. These become highly recommended, and I hope you found this video useful. So if you did, feel free to subscribe. It means you won't miss any of my future videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!